gotta start over.
What do you mean?
I gotta start over.
Are you stressed out?
Yeah.
What's the matter, baby? What I want. Y'all. Pressure's on. Beef is playing a video game. She's real stressed out about it. Oh, it's not a picture. Guys! Beef, what are you going through right now? Are you kidding?
Stop.
You don't want it? Listen! We've already been recording for 1 minute and 14 seconds. Alright, this is all we get.